In this video, I will show you how to troubleshoot and resolve common issues with your Hume Health Body Pod to ensure you get the most out of your health tracking journey. When you encounter performance hiccups or accuracy drift, the first step is to check if your device hardware is performing as it should. On the Hume Health FAQ and support page, you can see that the Body Pod is built to provide advanced insights across 45 different metrics, from visceral fat to segmental muscle mass in your arms and legs. If you notice inconsistencies in these data points, keep in mind that precision is what drives Estes reliable insights. Hume offers a 10-year warranty that covers every single component, including the device shell and the advanced sensing technology. If you suspect a hardware failure, or if the sensors aren't capturing your metrics correctly, you can actually request a recalibration or servicing directly through their support team to make the device perform like new. Also, make sure your mobile app is updated, as the free app is essential for syncing data, like your metabolic age and intracellular water health. If you are using the device for specific goals like lean mass preservation during weight loss, consistent sensor hygiene is key. Dealing with technical issues early ensures your body composition grades and health scores stay accurate for the long haul. I hope this walkthrough helps you get your Body Pod back on track for your daily health monitoring. If you found these troubleshooting tips helpful, please like the video and subscribe for more health tech guides. Thanks for watching, and feel free to leave a comment if you have questions.